Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to block on Sweatcoin app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, to block on Sweatcoin app, you need to tap open your app itself. So once you tap open the app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the friends option. Once you tap on it, you can find the friends, so simply tap on it, and then you need to now choose a person to block. Once you have selected a person, you will end up in this interface, so simply tap on the three dots option where you can find the action called block. So to block him, you need to tap on the block option and you will be now successful to block that particular person on the app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.